How to activate debit card of Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can activate your debit card on Bank of America. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Bank of America application, or you can also follow the same steps on your web browser by going to the web page or website of Bank of America. Now, to begin with, first of all, you have to log in with your account. So simply log into your account by providing your correct login credentials. And on the dashboard of your account, you will see all your debit and credit balances. And after that, tap on checking account. Now on the next interface on the account section, you will be able to see all your recent transactions. There, scroll down and you will find an option as debit card settings. So tap on it. Then you will be able to see your debit card. Below that card, you will see a button that says activate. So tap on it. After that, you must enter the expiration date on the card. So check your card, and at the back of your card, you will find the expiration date. So from there, simply type in your expiration date from the back of your card, and on the next, you have to enter the security code as well. So tap on card security code, and then the card security code will be available in your card. Enter the 3-digit security code that you will find at the back side of your card too. And after you're done with that, simply tap on done. And on the next, you have to again tap on verify. Now your debit card is activated and ready. So that's how you can activate debit card on Bank of America, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.